Welcome back to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3 ingredients refreshing mango sorbet. No ice cream maker needed. Also, it's dairy free. Sit back, relax. Do enjoy this video. Let's get into the video. Today I'm making a super easy 3 ingredient mango sorbet. No ice cream maker needed. First thing you need to do is to make your simple syrup by adding sugar and water over the flame. Use a spatula and dissolve the sugar. I will put a recipe in the description. Once you make this, allow it to cool, and when it's cool, pour it out in a jar or a suitable container. The reason for using the simple syrup is to balance the flavor. So this is something you can make ahead and put it down. So next up, we're going to use a splash of lime, and I'm just using like 1 lime. If you have lemon, not a problem. You can go ahead, use the lemon, use whatever you have. The next thing, if you don't have fresh lemon or lime, just use, you can buy the lime in the supermarket, or lemon which already squeezed, but that's personal preference. So next up, we're going to put our mango straight in our rubber coupe, and having a rubber coupe made this easier to make. Frozen mangoes give this sorbet a natural sweetness and a creamy texture. I'll be using about 2 cups of frozen mango. You can buy the mango and cut them, put them in the freezer. And the lemon help to balance the flavor, also give you that little bit of zesty. We're going in with our simple syrup. Remember to adjust your simple syrup to your suit, how you want it, how sweet you want it. This mango sorbet is a healthy alternative to store-bought ice cream, and dairy-free and vegan. Let me know in the comment, do you prefer mango sorbet or another fruit sorbet? So what I'm doing now, I'm just blending it out in the rubber coupe. If you love this recipe, hit that subscribe button, and remember to like, share, and do give this video a thumbs up. Try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Check out my other homemade sorbet and ice cream recipe in this playlist. So once your sorbet is finished, look how smooth this is. Just put it in your desired container, and that's personal preference. With this, you can serve it straight away. It's that effective. Or you can put it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. Just look how creamy this is and smooth. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to enjoy this. I can't wait for it to finish, to try it. So go ahead, put it in your desired bowl, and I'm just garnish this with a piece of mint. This mango sorbet is one of the easiest sorbet to make and the best. So now I'm going to try this. Wow, very delicious. Absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.